12 months from now, some of us will share our success stories, while most of them will give excuses and reasons why they couldn't get there. If you love belonging to the first category, then listen up. Success begins not only with clearly defined goals, but a plan and then consistent actions to follow through and maintain the momentum. Hi, my name is Rupa Patil. I'm a certified mastermind professional, an international business mentor, trainer, author, and speaker. And I am on a mission to support at least 10,000 heart-centered entrepreneurs to grow their income and impact. So, if you would like to create a personalized success roadmap for the next 12 months, in order to maintain the momentum and take consistent actions day on day, week on week, month on month, then I invite you to click on the link below and explore the endless possibilities of creating the best 12 months of your life starting now. Click on the link and do join me in my goal setting intensive. And I assure you that will be the best gift you would give to yourself. Thank you.